I need original content. Okay, so while cleaning my room this afternoon, this fine Sunday, I spotted an old book that I used to own. Whatever this is called. It's called the 500 manga characters. I'm not sure what it's a character design art book, basically. It's made by white people. Let me just double check that. Okay, no, so they're not all white. Some of them are Asian, yes. Anyway, that's besides the point. When I was younger, I did take like a manga workshop when I was younger. Like, I think I was around 11 or 12. Peak weeb energy that I had. So my mom or dad, one of my parents, bought this for me, and I was obsessed with this book. And my teachers were kind of laughing at it because it's like, that's made in Canada. It's like not real anime. And like that was 2008. You know, like the whole like, if it's made by like a foreigner, it's not really like proper anime. Whatever. So what I wanted to do, because like I kept this for so many years, I think because I wanted to draw these characters as well, like when I was younger. So we should do a favor, 12-year-old Ame, and do what she wanted to do. I want to pick like a character from here and either redraw it or like draw it in my style or like improve on it, you know? Just so that itch finally gets itched. Is that right? So let's start. Should I do it in random? Like, we'll see. If I don't like the thing that I picked on random, I'll pick the thing I bookmarked. Okay? So. Okay. Okay. So this is the first one I saw. Like, this is the first one, and not this one. I looked at this one first. And it's a dude. It's just some dude. So they're divided into categories, right? So like they're divided into like these multiple colors, you know, like per category, I guess. And so there's teenage female contemporary, teenage female traditional Asian, male contemporary, action sci-fi, gothic love, child male, child female, adult male, a lot of these. And the other ones are like basic coloring techniques, I guess, at the very end. Yeah. So, I think we should, I'm going to desecrate this book for a YouTube video. I need to scan this, you know, because like I lost the actual, because it comes with a CD. It comes with a free CD. So I don't have that CD anymore, because it's been like more than 10 years. So I will put it on my scanner. There has to be a way where I can just like God. 12-year-old me is shaking in her boots. She's going to kill me. Let's see. She's going to kill me. Literally. Thank you. So I am going to pull up the reference. Okay, so here is what our reference looks like. So we see here, okay, it's a very 90s, early 2000s style of like drawing manga, or at least like this kind of style. So because like the category is action, we're gonna be very actiony about it. So we're gonna go for like a, I guess, Hollywood kung fu kind of style. So search criteria is happy, smart, martial arts, yeah. Future. So I'm gonna try to incorporate the future part of it. You know, I'm gonna maybe check for, I guess, Blade Runner type of like future stuff. Adult male.
And we'll see if we will follow this um, color palette. You know, I'm not sure if I'm vibing exactly with like the choice, but it's eccentric. It's eccentric. I think we could do something with it. Yeah. So
Right. So I was like done with this thing. Well, at least like with the sketching part, maybe an hour or so ago. There's this thing called the internet. It may have distracted me for a good while. Now, is that my fault? I don't think so. If the internet was not created to distract me, if the internet was not created to distract someone like me from making a YouTube video that could possibly make me maybe mildly successful, then what is it for? Right, Pepper? Right? So, yeah, I just wanted to give an update. What a lovely cat. again to torture my cat. Because he wants my food, and because it smells like fish, he really wants some. He thinks he's gonna get some. Anyway, I've completed the character design here. It looks really good. Show it to my friends. They also said it was really good. Like, compared to like compared to the original, I was able to make the pose more martial artsy because I actually looked up references, and it doesn't just look like a random weird pose, because I don't think that's an actual pose. Whoa. Because like if you're trying to do like the other kind of pose, you know, some of the, it's like a weird pose anyway. So I looked up a real reference. Maybe they did use a reference for this one. It's just that it's only vaguely martial artsy. Oh yeah, here's the thing. The fashion, it said martial arts future. Nowhere in the actual design has any hint of like a future. So like, the closest thing I could do was like make it just a little bit cyberpunky. Pepper, no. No, you can't have the treat. You can't have any. So like, I looked up like cyberpunk fashion, and I kind of incorporated the jacket, like the leather jacket style. So I added like a few stripes, like really weird pockets with weird flaps, just so it's like less practical, just more stylish, as all cyberpunk clothes can do. I gave him, because like I wanted to like incorporate, because like the design, it gave off like almost like a retro vibe, but also still futuristic. So like I think they're going for like, it's basically like a Blade Runner thing. So I wanted to combine like old retro clothes, maybe like 80s, and incorporate that into the cyberpunk. So you got like the leather jacket, but I gave the pants like a bit more flare at the end, so it's similar to umbrella pants. Is that right? And I gave like the boot like more of a heel, or at least more of a prominent heel. I don't think it's prominent enough, but like it is what it is. And I made it look like it had like a zipper for it to match the jacket, but it also looks like it has like a zipper on the side, so it's a bit more stylish. Literally, Pepper, you can't have it, just get used to it. It's 2:30 a.m. I finished the thing. I did it. I think I can sleep now. So that's what I'm going to do. Props to I tried to look for Sam Brown on the internet. He hasn't been doing much, so I hope I'm allowed to post this. Like, I'm trying to credit him, but there aren't any links for him, so I'll just put put a wiki of him. I don't know how they're doing now, how they are in life, so hopefully Sam Brown, if you see this, hope you're proud of me. You will be the first of many of this thing, so hopefully this is a good start, or like a good first episode of whatever this is. What did I learn? I learned that maybe sometimes I should do more impulsive things, but at the same time, I didn't get to play Genshin today, and I didn't do my dailies, and I probably won't get Yai Miko or Ayato. Or I'm sleep deprived. Oh I have to go. I have an appointment tomorrow. Maybe I shouldn't do any impulsive things. Good night. Subscribe. Drawing video here. Non-drawing video here. Maybe a drawing video here. Subscribe.